Now let's take a look at 3D container. So I'll go ahead and then click on flutes, and now this time I'll choose 3D container. And in the attribute editor you have all the attributes like the 2D container, but we have some changes like the use height fields, so it's not here because we already have the Z depth. Okay, so let's increase the size to 15 on X and 30 on Y and 15 to on Z, and let's move that up, and let's select the emitter and move it down. And if I hit play, you'll see we have very bad resolution because this set to 10, and let's set that to 50 for example, and let's hit play and see. As you see, we have the same result, right? But if I increased that a little bit more, for example 150, okay, and now if I hit play, you'll notice it's really slow. So there is cool option here. So if I scroll down, and you'll notice we have auto resize. So if I enable that, now the container will shrink, okay, to the smoke. So if I hit play, you'll notice now the container is calculating where the smoke is. Okay, so now I don't have to calculate all the container. And here you'll notice we have 200 the resolution called max resolution. So if you set that, for example, the base resolution, set that to 300 for example, and even that, this will stop growing till it reaches 200. Okay, so you need to increase that to 300 too. Okay, and here you'll notice we have the auto resize margin. So if I, let's say you have a growing smoke and it's fast, so let's hit play and see. Okay, so now if I increase the auto resize margin, notice here what will happen. Okay, so if I increase that, for example, to 11 and now hit play, as you see now we have more space between the edge of the container and the smoke. This is very useful for fast moving objects. Okay, and let's set that to, for example, 4. Okay, and by the way, if you want to change the background, just hold Alt and hit B on the keyboard. As you see, I am changing the background color and switching between 4 colors. Okay, Alt and B. I will leave it at black. We can see the smoke better in this way. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.